Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you the Qingping Bluetooth Gateway, so let's have a look. This gateway is available on Amazon or AliExpress for around 15 euros. As always, you can find the links in the description. It is really a simple device, plug and play. It is connecting to your Wi-Fi network on 802.11 BGN, that is 2.4 GHz, and provides BLE 4.2 connectivity for your smart home devices. More and more devices lately are starting to use BLE instead of Zigbee. So if you already don't have a BLE gateway, this is the ideal device for you. Best thing about it that it is really plug and play, so let's see how it is added to MiHome. All you need to do is plug the device into the AC outlet and run MiHome. It will prompt you to turn on your phone's Bluetooth, and in a couple of moments it will just find your new BLE gateway. If you ever need to reset it, the top of the gateway is actually a button which you can hold and press for 5 seconds and it will reset the gateway. Don't forget to check if there is a firmware update available, since it might have stability improvements. As you can see, there ain't too many options under the gateway. You can display the info where you can see the IP address and such stuff, time zone changes, etc. Now let's have a look under BLE Gateways in MiHome to see if we see our newly added gateway. And yes, you can see it's there. So stay tuned. In the next couple of videos, we will take a look at some other Qingping devices which use this gateway to connect to the Xiaomi MiHome ecosystem. See you! Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.